Hello, we're going to take a look at your MT1 LT6 affirmation right now. You never sent me any work, so I didn't notice this grid until I went to put another score in. So make sure you send me your work. Now, there is no work to show on this first question, and I'm confused on how you got this answer. The first question, the first row, there are 5 boxes. So we're going to say 5 here. There are 5 boxes that are shaded in this row. 2 in this row, 2 in this row, and 2 in this row, so a total of 16. You had 25, and I don't know how you got that answer. Let's take a look at, here's one that required a little bit of work. It says the area of a rectangular garden is 8,514 square meters. The length is 99. We want to find the width. So let's represent this picture. Let's draw a rectangle out here. So we know the area is 8,514. We know the length is 99. We want to find the width. Well, the formula for a rectangle is area equals length times width. In this problem, 8,514 equals 99 times W. Well, now we'll just do the algebra. Let's divide by 99 to get our answer. Whoops. I want to use a calculator because I can't do that. So 8,514 divided by 99. And we end up with 86 meters. Now let's take a look at part B. Now part B is kind of the same, except notice now it's a perimeter. You didn't show any work, so I'm wondering if you just mix these two up. So we have a perimeter of 302. We know the width is 69. Since it's a rectangle, I know on both sides it's both 69. And then I don't know the length, call that L. So to find the perimeter of a rectangle, it's 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, because we have 2 lengths. Now, in other words, we know 302 equals 2L plus 2 times 69. Well, what's 2 times 69? Should be able to do that in my head, but we'll use a calculator. 138. So we have 302 equals 2L plus, what we say, 138. Now we'll do the algebra. Subtract 138 from both sides. So we take 302 minus 138. And we get 164. So 164 equals 2 times L. Let's divide both sides by 2. And L would be 82. And the units in this one were centimeters, so 82 centimeters. Just remember to use the right formula. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. You didn't show any work on this one, but I'm guessing based on your answer is you didn't give me an exact answer. I don't want a decimal, and I don't want it rounded. I want the exact answer. So let's take a look here. We want to find the perimeter of this parallelogram, and it's at 4, 3, so let's mark that down. Negative 2, 3. 2, negative 2. And negative 4, negative 2. We'll write this in here. So this is 4, 3. We have negative 2, 3. We have 2, negative 2. And we have negative 4, negative 2. Well, we can just count for the horizontal segment. You're going from negative 2 to positive 4, so I know that distance is 6. And the same thing in the one opposite it. Now, to find this length here, you can't count. You have to use the distance formula. So distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Let's use 4, 3 and 2, negative 2. Let's use those two. And I'll let 4, 3 be my second x. So we're going to say, get back up here. So we're going to say 4 minus 2 squared plus 3 minus a negative 2 squared. Well, 4 minus 2, that's 2 squared. 3 minus a negative 2, that's the same as 3 plus 2, so that's 5 squared. So we get 4 plus 25, which is the square root of 29. I don't want that as a decimal. It's the square root of 29. So in other words, and we know the other length is going to be the same. We can see that. So the perimeter is 6 plus the square root of 29 plus 6 plus the square root of 29. Well, we simplify that. We can add the 6's up. So we get 12. And we have 2 square roots of 29. And there's your answer.